Did you know that the average American spends more than $12,000 every year on healthcare? That's a huge number, and what makes it even worse is that most of these costs are linked to preventable health issues. In simple words, we are paying for diseases that could have been avoided with small lifestyle changes. In this video, I'm going to share 5 healthy habits that not only make your life longer and happier but also save you thousands of dollars in medical bills. These are simple and practical, and you can start them today. So let's get started. Habit number 1, daily walking. Walking might seem too simple, but it is one of the most powerful habits for your health. Just 30 minutes of walking every day can reduce the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. According to the American Heart Association, people who walk regularly cut their risk of heart disease by nearly 30%. Now think about this, the cost of treating a heart attack in the United States can easily go beyond $100,000. Compare that with a pair of comfortable walking shoes that might cost you $50 or $60. Which one sounds like a better investment? Walking doesn't require a gym membership, special equipment, or even much time. You can do it in your neighborhood, in a nearby park, or even inside a shopping mall. The key is consistency. Every step you take is like depositing money in your health savings account. Habit number 2, eating whole and affordable foods. The food choices we make every single day directly affect both our health and our wallet. Many people believe healthy eating is expensive, but that's not true. Whole foods like beans, oats, seasonal fruits, and vegetables are often cheaper than fast food and processed snacks. Let's look at an example. A family of 4 eating fast food 3 times a week could spend over $200 a month just on unhealthy meals. Meanwhile, buying whole grains and fresh vegetables and cooking at home can cut that cost in half, while also reducing the risk of obesity, high blood pressure, and diabetes. Here's the financial reality. Treating diabetes in the United States costs around $16,000 per year for just one patient. Imagine how much you can save over a lifetime by simply choosing healthier foods. So the next time you're at the grocery store, remember this, every item you put in your cart is either an investment in your health or a future medical expense. Choose wisely. Habit number 3, prioritizing sleep. In today's busy world, sleep is often treated like a luxury. People stay up late scrolling on their phones, working extra hours, or binge watching shows. But the truth is, sleep is free medicine, and ignoring it can be very expensive. Poor sleep increases stress, weakens the immune system, and raises the risk of heart problems and obesity. Research shows that people who regularly sleep less than 6 hours a night spend up to 20% more on medical care compared to those who get good quality sleep. Think of it this way, if you shortchange your sleep, you are basically writing a blank check to future medical bills. But if you aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep, you are not just restoring your energy, you are saving money by avoiding unnecessary doctor visits and medications. So, create a bedtime routine. Turn off screens an hour before bed, keep your room dark and cool, and respect your body's need for rest. Because every good night of sleep is money saved in the long run. Habit number 4, preventive checkups. Many people skip regular checkups because they don't want to pay for a doctor visit. But here's the truth, skipping checkups is like ignoring a small leak in your roof. One day, that tiny leak becomes a massive and expensive problem. A simple cholesterol or blood sugar test might cost you $50 to $100. But if you ignore these tests and end up with a heart attack or advanced diabetes, the treatment can easily cost tens of thousands of dollars. Preventive care is not an expense, it's an investment. Regular checkups help doctors catch small issues before they turn into life-threatening conditions. Think about how much cheaper it is to replace the oil in your car than to replace the entire engine. Your body works the same way. So don't wait until you feel sick. Schedule your annual physical, do your screenings, and take preventive care seriously. It saves both your health and your bank account. Habit number 5, managing stress. Stress is called the silent killer for a reason. It doesn't always show on the outside, but inside it damages your heart, raises your blood pressure, and weakens your immune system. And the financial cost of stress-related illnesses is enormous. Medical bills related to stress conditions like anxiety, depression, and heart disease cost billions of dollars every year in the United States. The good news is, managing stress doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Simple practices like deep breathing for 10 minutes, light yoga, daily meditation, or even journaling your thoughts can reduce stress dramatically. You can also go for nature walks, spend time with loved ones, or just take breaks from constant work and social media. Remember, stress may be invisible, but the hospital bills it creates are very real. By making stress management a daily habit, you're not only protecting your mental peace, you're also saving money that would otherwise go to doctors, medicines, or therapy sessions. Conclusion. So there you have it, 5 healthy habits that can save you thousands in medical bills. Walking daily, eating whole foods, sleeping well, getting preventive checkups, and managing stress. None of these require huge money or special tools, but together they create a powerful shield against expensive medical problems. Every small choice you make today adds up. You can either pay hospitals later, or you can invest in your own health right now. The choice is yours. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to stay both healthy and financially strong. Because at the end of the day, your health truly is your greatest wealth.